The Whole West District Youth Employment Agency, in collaboration with the Whole West District Police and Fire Command, has organized an orientation ceremony for the newly recruited Community Protection Assistant and Fire Assistant posted to the district. The ceremony, which was held at the Whole West District Police Headquarters at Anyawasi, was aimed at providing a comprehensive training to newly recruited CPA and fire assistants to make them more efficient and professional in duties assigned to them at their respective posts in the districts. It was also, among other things, to smoothly integrate the new recruits to the police and fire service by familiarizing them with the service, culture, structure, and their specific roles. Addressing the newly recruited Community Protection Assistants, the Whole West District Police Commander, DSP Mr. Roxin JC, admonished the personnel to discharge their duties with consummate professionalism. DSP Mr. Roxin JC enjoined the personnel to adhere strictly to the duties assigned to them and operate within the orbit of their roles as auxiliary staffs and not substantive police officers.
I'll plead with you. Some of you have your own motive of coming to join the YPA, the police as a community police assistant. That one I can't tell. But if you are here with a motive of extort, that one, delete it from your mindset. Otherwise, if it comes into my domain, I will arrest you and detain you. When we don't have personnel, what you're supposed to do is you are to support the officer. I don't want to see you turn into orders at the station of at the charge office. Writing in the station diary is not your duty. Yours is to observe. So if the officer there asks you to write, tell him it's not your duty. You are just to assist. If he is going for arrest, as for that one, you can accompany him. It's not your duty to write in the station diary. When he asks you to do it, tell him it's not your duty. You are there to support them. But the commander said, it's not my duty. You hear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And I don't want to see anybody in any uniform with police inscription or any t-shirt with police inscription behind. But if it is your t-shirt, the YEA t-shirt with YEA inscription behind, that one, so be it, you can use it. But anything, the reason I'm telling you this, there is a serious communique on it. The people cannot identify the YEA personnel, CPA personnel and the police. You know your beret, there is no crown. And ours, there is crown. Whatever you do in that t-shirt with police, it is purported to have come from a police officers. So we want a distinction between that, between you and the police. But whilst you are helping us, stick to your mandate. If you happen to be at a crime scene, that some crime has been committed, what we need from you is don't go and try to pick anything haphazardly. What we want from you is you secure the place and communicate same to your immediate supervisor so that they will come and process the crime scene. But we will plead with you, you try to talk to the community people, the civilians who will come around to tamper with it. You plead with them that they should stop. They shouldn't go closer to the scene, so that whilst you call your police officers to come and observe. Otherwise, before the police will come, they have already tampered with evidential materials. That we will find it difficult to know the actual perpetrators. You are not to conduct any search on any vehicle.
The Whole West District Youth Employment Agency Director, Mr. Sefia Mosefia Klu, emphasized the need to exhibit exemplary conduct and positive work ethics and punctuality. He urged the CPS and fire assistants to serve with humility, integrity, and professionalism.
I told you the last time that you are not a policeman. but you are an assistant to the police service. So you conduct yourself in that manner. Before you be paid at the end of the month, it is the police or your commander or supervisor that will recommend that you have attended work and you qualify to be paid. Immediately you see yourself as above the law and you don't come to work and your name is not written to be paid and your issue comes to my table, you will not be validated for payment. Choboy. So I will encourage you to respect the authority of the police service in the district, and I don't want any of you to misconduct yourself that would dent the image of the service in the district. Any misconduct by you will also mean that I, as the director of the district, has not performed my role in selecting you diligently. Am I making myself clear? Yes, sir. Wherever you be posted to, he did mention that timeliness is taken seriously in the service. You respect your time. When you come to your service station, you are going out to do something, you seek permission. You don't just walk out anyhow you like. If the commander comes in now and he says he's counting you people, those who are here, and you are not available, maybe that's the time they are preparing you for payment, it means your name will not be captured. Am I making myself clear?
Yes, sir. On his path, the whole West District Fire Officer, Dennis Tay, advised the fire assistant to learn on the job, deliver top-notch professionalism and exceptional competence. He reiterated the relevance of physical fitness, excellent communication, effective teamwork, composure under pressure, problem-solving skills, adaptability, integrity, and a strong commitment to serving the community. The YEA Director in negotiating an accommodation facility for the fire assistant beneficiaries reached an agreement with the district fire officer to house them in available staff facility, considering the distance of the district fire post from the beneficiaries. In all, the whole West District Youth Employment Agency handed over 42 community protection assistants and 10 fire assistants to the district police and fire commands.